Hello, welcome back to this tutorial. And as we created an interface in our last tutorial for the database for the customer, that how we can provide an interface to save data into this customer table from this interface. Here we are going to do some formatting in this form and make it more professional. For that, you have to right click here and open this in the design view, and in the design view you can have full control on changing all these attributes and these title. For example, I'm going to change the add customer, add and view customer, add and view customer data, and you can expand it, and you can increase its size, colors, and different operation you can perform with this one. So if you want to do changes in this form, how you can do it, you can select this form from here and open its properties. Form properties you can see over here, and then you can change, for example, the header. This is the header and this is the detail. You can change the color, background color for this one. This is, for example, is the background color. And if you want to change the color of this detail section, you can also change it. And for example, we are going to pick this color, and here this is the label. If you want to move it, you can hold it from this section, and if you want to move this one, you can click on this dot and bring it to here, and you can increase or decrease its size. And you can also, for example, if you want that this first name and last name, they should be on the same section, so what you can do, you can take this one, bring it over here, and delete this label, for example. And this size is too much for the gender, you can decrease it. And you can take all these attributes by selecting from here and moving them up if you need them. For example, I'm selecting all and now trying to shift them up because there is more space. And here the same way, this zip code and house number, they should if I want to display them on the same line, so I can bring it here and remove this label and can change this label as zip code and house number. And these attributes should be brought up. For example, it's a painful job and takes a lot of time to do the formatting changes, but once you do it, the form and becomes look like a professional one. And let's move all these here, and you can also change these names. Customer ID, you can add space, first name, first comma last name, gender, and these are the attributes. Similarly, you can decrease the size of the form, and you can eliminate empty spaces. And when you will view this form in form view, from here you can see, you can click it here, and form view, you will see that all the changes that you have made, they appeared over here. Now you can see that this space, this extra space is visible, and we need to remove this extra space as well. Go to this section, click on this form, top of this form, to show this property, form window, and from here there are a few properties that you need to change. Auto center, yes. Auto resize, make it no, and you can now you can apply it, and some other properties also need to be changed. Fit to screen, no, and border size, change this border size is dialog. And now go and see this in again in form view, or the changes are not applied. So we can go and so let's see, and again change the properties. Go to the property windows, and here you have to change this pop-up is equal to yes, and this auto resize is equal to yes, and then you can see that it's now this form is shown in the resized, mean the empty spaces has been reduced, and this is not now in a professional look. But here we are adding new data by this next record, and we adding different values. For example, I'm adding different values, dummy value here, but this is not the right way to save the data over here. The reason is that we don't have any control. Here I will add it, and new data will be added over here. So we need to add some control and command buttons over here to make it more professional. For that you can see the next tutorial. Thank you.